Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and this is our channel, Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and Education for Us All. You find us in our kitchen once again, and we are going to present to you a very simple dal recipe. So what you see in front of you is dal, which is red split dal that has been soaked for a while. We will need oil, we will need tomatoes, we will need various spices. So we see turmeric, chilies, garam masala, and cumin and salt as well. And over here we have ginger, we have chilies, we have garlic cloves. As I say, we always freeze these, and then they're always ready. And of course you need some garlic paste as well. We've already started with the onions just to speed up the process, so just going to soften those a little bit longer. नाज़रीन खुश आमदीद, जैसे देख सकते हैं ये है जी हमारा किचन, और आज की सिंपल रेसिपी है दाल. नाज़रीन मुझे इनकी नाम नहीं याद रहता. ये है जी मसूर, और इसके साथ हम इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं टमाटोज, स्पाइसेस जैसे देख सकते हैं, गरम मसाला है, सॉल्ट है हस्बे ज़ायका, हल्दी है, मिर्ची है, और इसे क्या कहते हैं, ज़ीरा है, ज़ीरा. और इधर है जी लहसुन, जिंजर पेस्ट, चिली मिर्ची, और ये है गार्लिक पेस्ट. ओके, अनियंस हमने ऑलरेडी शुरू किए इन सफ़न करने को. Okay, so we are adding chilies because the onions have softened nicely, and we've also added some ginger, and we will also add some garlic paste. जैसा देख सकते हैं अब ये सॉफ्ट हो गए, और अब हम टमाटर ऐड करेंगे. So we're adding the tomatoes now because the onions have softened really nicely. Okay, so we're ready for our spices there. So if you remember, we've got salt, we've got turmeric, we've got chilies, and we've got cinnamon. Okay, नाज़रीन अब हमने spices डाले हैं. अब इन्हें कितनी देर के लिए भूनना है?
3 to 5 minutes.
3 to 5 more minutes, and then we're going to add our dal. Just adding another ingredient, which is the garlic cloves. Really love garlic cloves. So नाज़रीन अब हम garlic cloves शामिल कर रहे हैं. There we go, nice small pieces. So this I forgot to mention, we're also adding fresh chilies. नाज़रीन हम 4 हरी मिर्च भी डाल रहे हैं. As you can see, viewers, the paste is nicely done, and we are ready for the main thing, which of course is dal. How long are we cooking dal for?
10 minutes.
10 to 15 minutes. It should be nice and soft. Give that a real good mix. So cook it for a while, and then of course we add water as required. So as you can see, we've added some water, about 2 glasses. So we like it nice and thin. So as I say, it's as per taste. We're going to let that cook for about 10-12 minutes. And there we have it, viewers, the final product, my favorite, Masoor dal, red split दाल. नाज़रीन ये है जी फिनिश प्रोडक्ट. इसे अब गार्निश कर रहे हैं मेथी के साथ और धनिया के साथ. So we've got coriander as a garnish there. As I said, this is my favorite dal, and we are going to have that with pilau rice, which we are going to make next, and I may record that. Hopefully I will. But there you have it. Okay, red split dal, Masoor dal. I do hope you're going to try it, viewers. It really, really is tasty. Until the next time, look after yourselves, look after others. नाजरीन उम्मीद है आप ऐसी दाल भी बनाएंगे, ट्राई करेंगे चावल के साथ, या हो बॉयल्ड या हो पिलाओ. बहुत बहुत नाइस. Look after yourselves, look after others. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज़.